we are kicking things off with the future of shipping. News AI is proving to be a game changer in logistics, but it's not a simple win or a total disaster. We dive into how the Lodestar is navigating this new reality, exploring whether this powerful technology will become a massive multiplier for operations or a serious liability that could sink entire supply chains. Get ready for a deep dive into the AI revolution impacting how goods move across the globe.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALEN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, the data center boom is creating a massive logistics puzzle that most providers are completely missing. Global Trade magazine reveals that every major logistics provider is desperately repositioning itself as a data center specialist, because the real opportunity isn't just moving freight. It's moving the massive infrastructure required for AI workloads. We break down the staggering investment figures and reveal exactly where the real logistical pain points are hiding in this high-stakes environment. Now, let's talk about the evolution of technology itself. We're ditching the old term vibe coding and exploring the real impact of AI as the great amplifier in logistics technology. We look past the hype to understand that while AI speeds up development, the critical human judgment in compliance and risk management is becoming more valuable than ever. Discover why the human expert is not being replaced, but empowered by these new tools. Finally, we look at major moves reshaping the retail landscape. British retailer M&S has just agreed to a massive acquisition of a fashion logistics hub, signaling a huge push to double their online sales. This acquisition is set to transform their distribution network, and we explore what this means for the future of automated fulfillment. Don't miss out on this final piece of the puzzle. Stay with us for more breaking news. The integration of artificial intelligence into the logistics sector presents a critical juncture, offering the potential to be either a powerful multiplier for efficiency or a significant liability. Recent developments highlight the complex reality of this technological shift. Specifically, the Lodestar beacon, a system previously positioned within the digital forwarding movement, has recently pivoted away from its previous trajectory. This strategic shift underscores the ongoing challenge and opportunity for logistics companies to fully harness AI capabilities. Experts are debating whether AI tools will fundamentally reshape supply chain management, optimizing routes, predicting disruptions, and streamlining inventory, or if the implementation carries risks related to data security, system dependency, and operational complexity. The decision for logistics firms to adopt or reject these AI solutions will determine the future competitive landscape of global trade. The logistics industry is witnessing a significant repositioning as major providers pivot to become data center specialists, recognizing the massive freight demands of the booming data center sector. However, industry analysis suggests that most providers are targeting the wrong segment of the market. While the investment pipeline is substantial, with $1.8 trillion in planned infrastructure investment between 2024 and 2030, and significant growth projected for the global construction market, the operational focus of logistics firms needs a strategic shift. The current trend involves logistics companies focusing on equipment suppliers, such as generator manufacturers and cooling vendors, competing on traditional metrics like rate and capacity. This approach misses the core demand. The actual logistical challenge lies not with the vendors, but with the facility builders and hyperscale developers who are managing complex, multimodal shipments of critical components, including generators, UPS systems, and HVAC units, across compressed timelines. These builders face extreme logistical complexity. Lead times for essential equipment can stretch to 12 to 18 months, and deliveries are often constrained by site readiness, permitting, and constantly shifting schedules. Unlike standard freight, data center construction involves unpredictable schedule changes. Deliveries are frequently delayed, split, or re-expedited midweek. Traditional third-party logistics providers often treat this volatility as a disruption, whereas builders view it as the normal operational condition. What facility builders require is a single, integrated logistics partner capable of owning the entire freight picture and adapting dynamically to project evolution. They need a partner offering comprehensive visibility across all modes, providing real-time tracking as a baseline expectation, and the flexibility to adjust requirements without friction. This adaptability is crucial, as a reliable partner allows builders to dedicate more time to construction. Furthermore, cross-border capabilities are essential. Sourcing industrial-scale HVAC systems from regions like Mexico necessitates genuine expertise in customs coordination and sequencing for final delivery to active construction sites, an area often overlooked by domestic carriers. The window to establish these crucial relationships is closing rapidly. As active data center projects are being awarded now, the providers who position themselves as trusted partners to facility builders in 2026 will secure long-term engagement. The competitive advantage in this market will not be defined by capacity or the lowest rate, but by the service model built for complexity, early trust building, and reliable execution amid schedule changes. The key takeaway for logistics providers is to move upstream. Focus on the builders, demonstrate an understanding of their operational complexity, and the broader business opportunity will follow. The integration of artificial intelligence into logistics technology is rapidly reshaping development practices and strategic decision-making, moving beyond superficial concepts like vibe coding to redefine the role of human expertise. While AI coding assistants dramatically accelerate the generation of code, industry experts caution that this tool changes the process, but does not eliminate the need for seasoned developers to build production-grade, mission-critical systems. The core message is that AI compresses timelines, but cannot compress the judgment required to deploy systems that carry significant operational and financial risk. Building reliable logistics technology demands deep expertise, sustained investment, and accountability for complex integrations with carriers, customs authorities, and evolving global regulations. Organizations choosing to build systems with AI assistance must accept ongoing responsibility for security, scaling, and talent dependency, often finding the total cost of ownership exceeds initial estimates. Crucially, the necessity of human oversight remains non-negotiable, especially in compliance-heavy sectors. Regulations governing customs and carrier contracts require licensed professionals to remain accountable. AI enhances these processes by accelerating data parsing and extraction, but the human expert who identifies anomalies and makes final risk-based calls becomes significantly more powerful. The narrative must shift from viewing AI as a replacement to understanding it as an amplifier. AI multiplies the capacity of professionals across all domains, developers, marketers, and supply chain managers, leading to a state of heightened productivity. Experts are not becoming obsolete. Rather, those who fluently incorporate AI into their domain expertise will become dramatically more valuable. This technological shift creates an urgent competitive dynamic. The gap between early adopters who systematically integrate AI into proven platforms and late adopters risks widening rapidly. The path forward is not building from scratch based on enthusiasm alone, but applying AI purposefully within established platforms, ensuring human fluency with the tools. The bottom line for the logistics technology sector is clear. The future leaders will be those who actively use AI in their daily work today. British retailer Marks & Spencer has announced a conditional agreement to acquire a state-of-the-art fashion logistics hub in Lichfield for £67.5 million, an investment valued at $91 million. The facility, which spans 40,600 square meters, is fully automated and was previously utilized by online fashion retailer ASOS. This acquisition is a key strategic move aimed at bolstering M&S's online fashion division, supporting its ambitious goal to double the size of its online business. The new distribution center is slated to create approximately 600 jobs and is designed to significantly enhance order processing speed and capacity. By improving logistics, M&S expects to enable faster delivery times, allowing customers to place orders later in the day and offering a wider selection of sizes and styles. John Little, M&S Managing Director for Fashion, Home, and Beauty, emphasized the strategic importance of the move. He stated that achieving the goal of doubling online sales requires a more robust, 24/7 distribution network. Little noted that this acquisition provides the necessary capacity to serve customers faster and more efficiently. He added that the deal aligns with M&S's commitment to disciplined capital investment, delivering tangible business benefits while remaining mindful of shareholder spending. Noting the acquisition offers a more cost-effective route than constructing a new facility. Supply chain transformation is identified as a top strategic priority for the retailer, with the focus being on reducing the time it takes for products to move from suppliers through distribution centers to stores or customers, thereby boosting growth. This move underscores M&S's ongoing effort to modernize its operational backbone.